for our master's students. So in bachelor, we have a Bachelor of Commerce. It's the 4 years program, and if student want to complete that degree within a 2.5 years, they have options. And also, student can take a major in accounting, business communication in their Bachelor of Commerce, and it's called BB in Bangladesh. And also, we have another popular subject that is Bachelor of Arts in Business Communication. So student can skill up their writing skills, research skills, and they can take a major subject in journalism, media communication here, and it's a blended subject. So business and non-business student can also do this program. And we have another 2 years program that is the Associate of Arts degree. So this is 2 years program, and in this time, the student will learn 8 major subjects. And after that, if they want to continue their further study at university, they can do, or if they want to go for direct job, like for 3 years work permit, they have option that also. If they want to transfer their credit to other university, they have very good option here. So it's a very popular and very easygoing subject. And also here you can see that most popular subject, that is MBA. Why it is a very popular? It has some special features. So it's a 2 years program, and we have a very good accreditation, that is the SBSP and CMA for this program. And you can develop your skill once you will enroll this professional degree, that is MBA. And you can take some major subjects like leadership, marketing, finance, and business analytics, and then human resource management in your time of study. And also, why it is very prestigious and very popular, because we are not required any GMAT or GRE for doing this subject, because North American degree, especially for MBA, student need 5 years or 3 years managerial experience, or GMAT is the mandatory part. But we are not required GMAT as a mandatory part. We will be happy to accept a student with IELTS. And the most important thing, since most of the university require 3 years or 5 years managerial experience, but we are very flexible here as well. Fresh graduate student can join our university for doing their MBA. And we have huge scholarship here, and I will discuss everything. And also, we have a preparatory program, that is the MBA foundation program. It's a 3 months program, and it will support the student those have a poor academic result, or those students don't have any managerial experience, since they are carrying on their GPA below 3. And also, those students will come from non-business background and they don't have any managerial experience. This subject will be really good for them to learn more about to support their main program. And also, we have University Access Program, that is UAP. It's a 3 months English program, or it depends on student IELTS score. If a student didn't meet the direct IELTS requirement, then they can join our UAP program. So here you can see the entry requirement for our bachelor. So we do accept 12 years of education. If a student complete their HSC in Bangladesh, they have option to join our bachelor program. Or if any student come from A levels, they have to complete 2 subjects and they have to get V or above. Or if any student come from O levels, they have to complete GED so that they can join bachelor program. And then our IELTS requirement is almost same for our all program, that is over 6.5. In writing, they have to get 6, and if one band they got 5.5, like reading, speaking, or listening, then we will happy to issue their unconditional offer letter, consider if they meet all the requirement. Okay. And then here just want to share a bit about our MBA program requirement. So we're happy to accept for our direct program those students will come from business background with 3 GPA out of 4, so that they can join our MBA program directly. If any student got below 3 GPA, then they have to go through MBA foundation, that is 3 months program I discussed. And also here, that already mentioned that no experience required for joining MBA program, no GMAT requirement, and also fresh graduate student will get opportunity to pursue their MBA, and it's a very good option for them. And also here you can see that English proficiency, what we do accept instead of IELTS. We will be happy to accept PT, TOEFL, Duolingo as well. So we are very flexible to taking your other English proficiency. So here you can see that in the time of your MBA program, what extra skill you can develop, or what digital components we will ensure you to make your confidence high, or to to get better education And after completing your graduation, you should not wait for the job, because job will search you. You should not search, because you have a competency, you have a quality of education inside you. So it will be really good for you to learn this subject in the time of your education, because we are very like this a very good option. And we are affiliated this the big giant company like Ripen, IVM you will learn, and also digital marketing institutions. We are affiliated with them, so you will be certified once you will learn this kind of options, or you will learn Salesforce, because these are very common and very popular at this moment to grow up your business scale, and also your managerial skills as well. So here we can see the tuition fees range at University Canada West. So our 2 years program, that is the Associate of Arts, it's a tuition fees 34,800. That means 1 year tuition fees will be 17,400. It's a very affordable for a Bachelor of Commerce and Bachelor of Arts program as well. So, and we are giving big amount of scholarship for our bachelor student, and for MBA, it's 2 years tuition fees 35,100 Canadian dollars. So you can see that 1 year tuition fees. So it's a very, very affordable tuition fees, I would say, because you will never find any university in Canada those are offering MBA program with this tuition fees, and it's a very, very affordable, I would say. And for MBA foundation, we are taking 7,220 CAD, but we are giving big amount of scholarship for each and every subject here. And initially, you have to confirm your place with 7,900 Canadian dollar. And after that, we'll issue your LOA. So still, we are. You already know that we are. We have a 4 intakes in here: January, April, July, and October. And still, we are taking application for October intake. So if you have everything okay, then you can submit your application now, and you should not waste your time as well. And also, we are accepting application for next year, that is January 22. So don't be delay. Just cooperate with your agent to submit your application as soon as possible, and we will be happy to issue your offer letter within 3 or 4 business days. So here I just want to share a bit about University Canada West scholarship that we are giving. So for our MBA program, we are giving 10,000 Canadian dollar scholarship, but it depends on student academic results. So once you will submit your application, in the time of you getting offer letter, you will receive your scholarship offer letter as well. You should not wait for long time for getting this letter. So it will be really obtainable things and fantastic that you will get offer letter for your scholarship within a very short time. And for bachelor program, we are giving 20,000 Canadian dollars scholarship, but it depends on student academic result, but it's more than 1 year tuition fees. That means you can complete your degree with, like, with very affordable tuition fees, because we are giving big support financially to you. And for Associate of Arts program, we are giving 10,000 Canadian dollar. So also we are giving second language scholarship. So you should not worry about you if you have poor academic result, because we know some students, they have poor academic result, but they have very good IELTS score. So considering that things, if you have overall 7 or less than 6.5 in for MBA student, we will happy to give you flat 4,000 Canadian dollar scholarship. For same IELTS requirement for bachelor, we are giving 8,000 CAD. For Associate of Arts program, we are giving 2,000 Canadian dollar scholarship. So it's a very lucrative and very attractive scholarship that we are giving for our student here. And so just want to share a bit about career opportunities, like why University Canada was really best university, and like why our student getting 100% job within a very short time. So yeah, here you can see that discuss that our student can secure their place within a 6 month 100% of graduation employment. Okay, so it means that our students at this moment are unemployed. Every student can secure their place within a very short time, and you'll never find any university in Canada those have 100% job employability rate within a 6 months of student graduation. So it means that we are providing quality of education, because we are not thinking about your current life, we are thinking about your future, about your career. So like this way, we are treating our student to ensure their education. And here you can see that why University Canada West, every student can secure their job in a very short time, because we have a strong career development center, and our team will really happy to support you each and every way. Like, we'll be happy to build up your resume, cover letter, and we will give you the insight how to build up your interview skill. Also, we'll share the techniques for job search, and we are arranging different education or job fair in our premises. So you can meet with the different companies, CEO or higher authority, and they will share their industry experience with you. That gonna help you to boost up your confidence level that I can join like any big organization after completing my graduation. So it would be really a good option. And sometimes it happens that they will hire you in the time of their like once they visit. So it will be really good opportunity for you to join University Canada West shortly, because it has huge career opportunity for you. And here we can see that where Canadian UCW students currently working. Our student currently working Amazon, Royal Bank of Canada, and Chilas, and then big giant company like Microsoft, and also Apple, Google. So your alumni will join there. Definitely, it will help you to get a strong networking in Canada. So it's a really very good option. And our student can join 20 hours. They can able to work 20 hours part-time in a week, and also they can able to join full-time in their vacation. So no worries about your job. And here we can see that we are not giving direct dormitories for every student, but if you need any accommodation support, we'll be happy to ensure that. So University Canada West always here to support you to ensure your accommodation. And also the most 5 advantages I just want to share shortly here. Like still we are taking application for October intake. So our all student will get 650 Canadian dollar hotel voucher if they need to quarantine themselves in any hotel once they will arrive in Canada. So it's a really initially big support for you. And also here you can see that we have a post-graduation, we have a post-graduation work permit. So our all the student can join they will be eligible to work after completing that graduation, and they will be eligible to work to get PGWP for 3 years. So that's really obtainable. And another thing, you should not worry about your refund guarantee. And if unfortunately if you got a visa refusal, we will back your fund within 30 business days, and you can apply from your student portal, and it's a very easy process. And if you join earlier, you can save your living expenses as well. So these are the very common things, and very helpful for you to join MBA program or any bachelor program for October intake. If you have everything ready, and we will issue you confirmation of enrollment letter once you will join through online, or if want to fly after getting your visa, we'll issue your travel support letter that you can download from your student portal. So everything we will support you for your better future, for your better career. So that's all about my presentation. Thank you so much for listening me. So now I will go through to take your questions. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Bhaiya. It was a nice presentation. You covered almost everything. So here we go for the